Yeah, hi, I'm Paul from PRS from London Heathrow, just at Gatwick now, ready to board. We're on our way to Gothenburg now to test out the new Volvo. Looking forward to it.
The new FH is absolutely fantastic, just like driving a car, that's all. They're getting better and better all the time. The visibility out the mirrors is fantastic now, it's a lot better than the old FH.
Having test drive this one, you know, it's a big difference, a lot smoother. The electronic brakes very nifty and handy.
But this was like a wagon and drag, and it was grossing out about 60 tonnes, and it just went as though it was empty. I was quite surprised when the guy told me that it was fully freighted, and I'm very impressed with them, absolutely, with the new trucks, yes. And if they give as good a service as what we've had off them over the last 40 years, this should be a good seller.
Very impressed with the product. Obviously we saw it when they launched it in the UK, but the temperatures didn't allow us to drive it. I think it's the ultimate driving machine. Driver comfort, exceptionally good. Road holding, exceptional.
Very smooth, very easy to drive. Surprised how much it's like a car, believe it or not, especially in the cab. The equipment's fantastic. You know, it must be a lorry driver's dream. Absolutely fabulous, really enjoyed it.
We operate Volvos because of the reliability and the support network that's out there for us. We're particularly interested in new ones for our new fleet of trailers that are coming out, and hopefully they can be the masterpiece of our business and take us forward.
We're looking at new Volvos, and we're very impressed with the new model. And driving here is great fun, and it's great experience. That's good.
Pleased to be here in Gothenburg test driving the new Volvos, and having run Volvos now for 30 plus years, very impressed, particularly what they've done with the vision and the blind spots with mirrors. So really impressed with what they've done.
I've been driving the FH16 750 horsepower log trailer. I want one of them, yes, definitely. An absolutely amazing piece of kit. Such a powerful machine, 66 tonne load, and it's just like driving a car, incredible.
We've never driven a vehicle before, HGV, let alone a 25-metre vehicle, and yeah, incredibly easy, unbelievably easy.
Driven a combination today of log, wagon and drag configurations, tankers, and my impression is the best just get better.